This video makes me laugh because I had no idea what I was doing or what angle you're supposed to grind at or which tool to use, and to make matters worse, they were all dull as a butter knife. I did this after I watched a few videos on the internet and I just thought I knew what I was doing. I went bananas on the lathe, and honestly, it's a wonder I didn't hurt myself or break anything. If you're wondering why I'm using this tool right here, I honestly don't know. I think the only correct one I used was the bowl gouge. And I have no idea how I ended up with the end result that I wanted, which was a bowl, because the tools were so dull, and I think I used all of them in a wrong and unsafe manner. It's a wonder I didn't end up with a thimble instead of a bowl, but and this is meant for debarking logs. I mean, I don't even know why I was using that. It's just crazy. I am trying to grow the channel, so if you could like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, tell a friend, I would sure appreciate it. Thank you so much.